In this tutorial, we're going to look at modules in Joomla. We're looking here at a Joomla website, and in the main area here is where we have our normal content, but we can also have items in columns, in the left column, or which would be here, of course, right columns. We can even have information sitting underneath. This is information that you want to show on particular pages or on every page, and it's set up separately to the main content. You can also have modules that sit above the main content. So let's have a look where that comes from. This is your control panel in Joomla 2.5. Your content is up here. That's the general content that sits in the middle of the page. We have components for various programs that are running in conjunction with the website. And we have modules. Modules are under extensions. We can also find them under Extension Manager here, but normally we just go here, Module Manager, and we click on that, and that brings up the various modules that are available. Now there are different types of modules. You can have a module which is a menu system. You can have modules that are slideshows, all sorts of different items that you can put in those areas. The most common one that I tend to use is a straight HTML box. In this case, I've created a footer. Just use a custom HTML. To create a new one, you simply click on New, and you choose the type of module you want. You can see there's a whole lot of different ones here. Custom HTML is one which is just normal edited content, the same as you would for creating an article. That's what we have here in the footer. If we bring that up, and we'll see we have our normal content edit page with all the functionality that you have in any other content page. And you'll see here that we have, in this case, just text. You could also have images in here and so on. You have all the same functionality that you would have in any text content. The only difference is that in this one, you can choose the position that it's going to go in. That may, in this case, it's a bottom row. Now, different templates will have different names for these positions. In this case, it's a bottom row. We also choose which pages. In this case, it's on all pages. You also have the option of having it on only on selected pages, or only on pages, or all pages except those selected. And here's where you select them just based on the menus that are set up for the site. And that's basically it for your modules. Now, modules, there is no opportunity to set up meta tags because they're not individual pages. It is just content that is added onto an existing page. You can publish those, you can show the header or not, and you can also set up dates on when you want things to publish. So you might use this as a special offer that only shows up on certain dates, starting next Monday, finishing the Friday. So there's lots of things that you can do with modules and lots of positions depending on the template that you have. Most of the templates that websites with purpose use or create will contain literally dozens of different positions. So you have a lot of flexibility on where you can put that content, everywhere from in the very top banner up next to your logo all the way down to the footers, and you can even have modules or multiple footers on a particular page. So there's lots of flexibility, lots of things you can do with modules.